Delivery!
I see you in there, Chief.
Pack it up, boys.
Huh?
He doesn't want it.
He doesn't want it,
That's what he said.
but it's already off the truck.
Well, then put it back on, genius.
Ivan, it's Friday out.
I know.
We'll have to go all the way back to the warehouse.
And peak hour traffic.
I know.
It's the semis, Ivan. We'll miss kickoff.
Ladies, if the man doesn't want it, he doesn't have to take it.
You sure you don't want it, Chief?
So you decide to spoil yourself?
Actually, it's a retirement present.
Ah, well, congrats to you then.
No, not for me. It's for my wife.
Ah, making up for all those forgotten Valentine's Days, huh? So, is she about? Best if I show both of you how it works.
No. She's out.
Huh. Okay.
Hey, where's your hose, Chief? I'll get a gurgling for you.
Wait.
So when's your missus coming? Gotta have someone to christen her with.
Yeah, actually, at 10 o'clock
Let's
this...
go, boss. You want to pick up some frothies?
We are talking here! Sorry, mate. You were saying?
Later. She'll be back later.
Well, you just give us a call if you need any help. Anything at all. No trouble.
Yeah.
You give him the receipt?
Mr. Daly! Forgot your receipt. Mr. Daly!
Just leave it on the table.
Yeah. That'll be right.
What? Oh boy.
Poor bastard. You go. Oh, gee. Right. Whoa. What I missed?
Taylor got Simbin.
Ah, good. Because he's an idiot. Hey, Don. Do you want to try the bubbles?
Oh, sure.
Make it happen, Leroy.